Hey guys, wanna know how to create an account in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your OkCupid application and make sure you have downloaded it as well. Now once you're there, right here you can see the Join OkCupid button. Just simply click on it. Now here, you should type in your email address. Select next and then type in your first name. Click next again, and there you have to enable your location service. Select enable location service and then select while using the app. Now select where you live, select your own country and then also type in your zip code, but it is optional. Now select your gender and who you want to date. Click next once you're done and type in your birth date. Select next and now type in your password, and once you've typed in a good password, select sign up, and that's it. Now your account has been completely signed up. Now you need to just choose the dating options, upload some photos, and there you have it. You're ready for OkCupid. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.